Welcome to the informative iPhone 14 Pro, and I will show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that here you will find the Tourch icon. If you wanna turn it on, you should click here once on this Tourch icon, and after that let's check, and we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. If you wanna turn it off, by the same way you should open the panel here and turn it off by click once again on the just Tourch icon. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should lock our smartphone, and then we will see here on the left down corner of our lock screen the Tourch button. Just we should hold for a while this button, and after that we can see that the flashlight is activated. Just if you want to turn it off, by the same way hold for a while this button. As you can see, when we just simply touch it, it's not just, I'll show you, with the simple touch that's not working. Just hold it for a while, and now we can see that it's activated. Just to turn it off, by the same way hold it, and now we can see that the flashlight is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.